Hi everyone, welcome to Psycho Says. 11 ways to make your girlfriend happy with 3 special words. Telling your girl what she wants and needs to hear should be at the top of your priority list, especially when it comes to making her feel worth it. There is an array of words that a woman wants to hear at all hours and times of the day. In just 3 simple words, you can express your feelings for your crush, your girlfriend. You are a kind person. Before continuing with the video, please press the subscribe button first. Subscription is free, my friend. If already subscribed, let's continue. 1. I love you. These 3 words mean everything to your lover. Please say these 3 words with sincerity and love. 2. You're the one. This is a no-brainer at this point. Marriage happens after falling in love. Who would not want to hear this as a woman? Make sure you are clear on your goals before proceeding. Don't forget the ring either. 3. Just kiss me. When done right, fellas, women adore it when you take the initiative, and they love to be manhandled. It is absolutely sexy. Every man loves a nice dairy ray and a little sutton to grab onto. Know what I'm saying? 4. You're the Joet. Baby, you are the greatest of all time, enough said. 5. I miss you. Nothing says I miss you like cuddling in bed together, naked, just breathing each other's energies and enjoying each other's company. True love. 6. Pack your bags, or all expenses paid. Nothing compares to receiving presents, surprises, and flights with complete attention. Traveling is constantly on the go. This is an essential relationship objective that should be on your list because it allows you to spend quality time together as a strong couple. 7. Good morning, beautiful. The reason why this is the most beautiful of them all is because it perfectly captures how a girl feels whenever she receives that good morning text with the emojis, memes, and gifs. 8. I got us. A successful man is inspiring and attractive, just like a woman is. On the contrary, having someone who is intellectual and mature enough to be stable with his own individual life is sexy. We do not advocate financial reliance. 9. I am cooking. A splendid dish made by your sweetheart is a beautiful sight indeed. Not only is that tea hot, but it is great having someone cook for you who knows how to create different dishes. Or at least someone who tries. You be the judge of that. 10. You look gorgeous. This line is absolutely the best thing you can say to your lady. This is the most beautiful music to the ear. A girl invests so much time in our appearance before stepping out the door. 11. Let's move in. Living together with someone of the opposite sex is an improvement for your relationship. Every woman experiences family pressure, and many may worry about their biological clocks. In any case, this demonstrates how cherished, desired, and valued a girl, and how possible marriage is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.